Me, I come here on 1997. My origin place was in Moro. After the election of 1987, the clashes come in Moro. We were told to move away from Rift Valley. So I come to Nairobi. When I come here, I stay for about 1 month without a job. That's why I meet a friend. I ask him whether I can have a place for me to sell a small commodity and cater and get my personal needs and my family needs. He gives me a small piece. I start selling some tomatoes. The whole of this is the market, you see. When people stay together, you come to know each other very well.
You one time sit for an acidic.
And we start a small group called Kendale Small Scale Self-Help Youth Group, and we help each other and uplift the standard of our children and our families.
Sasa hiyo group vile tulishikana naye ndio tunakaa chini tunajaribu kujiinua. Tuko na muungano wa chama fulani tukusaidiana kifedha, yani merry-go-round. Hiyo merry-go-round ni kama savings, yani unakusanya ile kidogo, umepata faida kidogo ya leo, halafu mnakusanya siku hiyo na tena kesho hivyo hivyo, yani ile kidogo mnapea mtu mmoja, halafu hivyo mpaka yani mnaweza kuinua biashara nyinyi mkiwa wote.
The market is an open air market. It is not a permanent market. It's a temporary market. Now, because of the passing of the vehicle, the government, you see, is very dangerous for us to be there. And sometimes the government told us we are going to be removed, but because we have no place to go, they remove us, then we come back. Maybe today we are talking to you right now, but tomorrow you hear the market. The government say there is no market there, so, and I left about goods of more than 50,000. My 50,000 goes off.
Unajua hata ni vile tu tuliseviwa, walikuwa wamekuja wakasema wataiondoa, lakini tu ni Mungu alifanya tuendelee kuishi hapa.
Tunasumbuliwa sana na city council, unaona hata mahali tunauzia sasa tunaelekea kufunga sababu mvua inanyesha.
I've been selling to some customers, I've sold to some few customers, but the moment it started raining, I couldn't get some customers because, you cannot rain down. You cannot rain down. That's one of the challenges.
Sina hema kujifunika wala mwavuli sina. Hiyo ndio shida, naweza sema ni shida kubwa sana katika hii biashara yangu, sababu je, vitu kama vitunguu zikinyeshewa tayari zimeharibika.
Unahitaji finance. Unajua finance kwa biashara yote lazima unahitaji finance, sababu kwa biashara kama hii hizi vitu ni kama tuseme perishable. Na unaona kama mvua inanyesha zingine zinaharibika. Sasa unaenda hata loss. Lakini sometimes inabidi.
If they shut this place down, maybe me, I take my bus, I go to Mombasa. The another one take a vehicle, I go to Nyeri. I cannot come from Mombasa to find him in Nyeri, and I'm doing nothing, he's doing nothing. If we can get a permanent place, we can be a distributor of commodity outside the Nairobi area and then even outside the country. We have that energetic power to do so if we can be assisted. people join together, they have a power to lift each other. Because I myself, I cannot do something me alone. But if I join you, the other person and the other person, we can do something.